Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Escoba Con Aspiradora is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market. It combines the simplicity of a broom with the power of a vacuum, making it a versatile solution for various cleaning tasks. This device is designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient, saving you time and effort. Whether you're dealing with crumbs, pet hair, or dust, this tool promises to be your new best friend. Number 5. FURemover Rubber Broom with Squeegee. This broom features a 12.5-inch wide electrostatic rubber bristle head. It's designed to attract and collect dust and hair from various surfaces. It prevents scattering, ensuring a deep clean, especially for pet owners. The rubber broom effectively removes dog, cat, and other pet hair. Using short strokes, it lifts embedded hair from carpets and rugs. It's a more effective solution than traditional brooms or vacuums. The handle is adjustable from 34 to 58 inches. This allows users of all heights to customize the length for comfortable cleaning. You can easily clean without bending or straining. The soft rubber bristles are water-resistant and quick-drying. Simply rinse it with water, and it looks like new. This durable broom requires low maintenance and is built to last. It also includes a built-in squeegee edge. This is perfect for cleaning windows and handling liquid spills. It's a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks around the house. What we like? This broom uses rubber bristles to grab pet hair effectively. It's perfect for removing embedded hair from carpets. If you have pets and struggle with hair on your carpets, this is the ideal solution. You'll find it makes cleaning a breeze. What people say? The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a long battery life, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. The suction power is strong, effectively picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces. Number 4. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Starter Kit. Tired of multiple cleaning tools? This is a combination of a broom and a mop, eliminating the need for a dustpan or bucket. It's designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. The dry cloths use thousands of microscopic fibers to attract and trap dirt, dust, and hair. This ensures a thorough clean, capturing what other tools might leave behind. The wet mopping cloths are pre-moistened with a powerful cleaning solution. This solution bonds with dirt, trapping it within the cloth's core for an effective clean. This is safe for use on tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring. It offers versatility for various surfaces, making it a convenient choice for your home. Perfect for small spaces like apartments and dorm rooms, it's compact and lightweight. It's also easy to assemble, making it a convenient cleaning solution. Assembling the sweeper is simple. Just click the poles together and attach the cloth to the head. It's designed for quick and easy setup. We are confident that you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied, check out our money-back guarantee. What we like? The Swiffer Sweeper is a 2-in-1 tool, combining sweeping and mopping. It's safe for various floor types and easy to store. If you are looking for a compact and versatile cleaning solution for your apartment or dorm, this is a great choice. It will save you time and space. What people say? The vacuum cleaner is very light and easy to handle. It is very easy to assemble and use. It has a good suction power. Number 3. Eureka NES 100 Corded Stick Vacuum. Weighing only 2.75 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver and carry around. This lightweight design makes it perfect for quick, everyday cleaning tasks. This corded vacuum provides continuous and stable high power. You don't have to worry about charging, it's always ready to go when you need it. It easily converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld vacuum with the included attachments. This makes it great for stairs, car interiors, and those hard-to-reach spots. The vacuum stands upright on its own, and the cord wraps neatly around the back. This design helps keep everything organized and out of the way. This bagless vacuum keeps maintenance simple. Just empty the dust cup and wash the filter regularly. It's designed to save you time and money. What we like? This Eureka vacuum is lightweight and offers powerful suction for carpets and hard floors. It easily converts to a handheld vacuum for versatile cleaning. If you like a quick and easy cleaning experience for your home, this is the perfect solution. It will make your cleaning tasks much easier. What people say. Great suction. Smaller than a standard vacuum but great for those hard-to-reach places. It also swivels really nicely. Number 2. Eureka NEN 180 Bagless Canister Vacuum. This Eureka vacuum cleaner is a powerful cleaning tool. It has a 1000 W motor and 16 kPa suction, making it ideal for cleaning carpets and hard floors. Weighing less than 17 pounds, it's easy to move around. The swivel steering allows for effortless maneuverability, making it easy to clean under furniture and in tight spaces. The vacuum features a 3-stage sealed filtration system. It captures 99.9% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air in your home is clean and healthy. This bagless canister vacuum has a large 2L dustbin and washable filters. Simply rinse them with water for easy cleaning, eliminating the need for replacement bags and saving you money. It features stepless suction control with an adjustable knob. You can easily modify the power and noise levels to suit different surfaces, from quiet cleaning to maximum suction. This vacuum is perfect for your home, car, and garage. It comes with a motorized brush, a 17-foot retractable cord, a HEPA filter, a pet brush, and a crevice tool, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. What we like. This Eureka canister vacuum provides powerful suction and HEPA filtration for cleaner air. It's also easy to maintain with a bagless design. If you are looking for a vacuum that keeps your home clean and your air fresh, this is the perfect option. It will make your home a healthier place. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a long battery life, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. The suction power is strong, effectively picking up dirt and debris. Number 1. Eureka NEU 10 AE5 Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This Eureka vacuum effortlessly removes dirt and hair from both hard floors and carpets. The wide cleaning path helps you clean large areas quickly and easily. This upright vacuum comes with a crevice tool and dusting brush. You can attach them to the handle to clean upholstery, windows, and other hard-to-reach places. Weighing only 7.7 pounds, it's easy to carry this vacuum anywhere. Its compact design allows it to be stored in any space when not in use. This vacuum has a washable filter, which saves you maintenance costs. Use it to embrace eco-friendly cleaning without sacrificing effectiveness. The vacuum includes a crevice tool and dusting brush that snap onto the vacuum. They are always within reach during cleaning, simplifying your routine. What we like. This Eureka upright vacuum offers powerful suction for all floor types and is lightweight for easy maneuverability. It also features easy maintenance with a washable filter. If you like a lightweight and efficient vacuum cleaner, this is the perfect choice for you. It will make your cleaning tasks easier. What people say. It sucks up litter, dry vent fluff and anything else in its path. Lightweight with on-board accessories. Washable filters, comes with an extra filter, and no more dusty pricey Eureka bags to deal with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.